Hello everyone, so welcome to this new video. In this video we'll learn how to make editable content inside this editor panel. Right now you can see that we have added all necessary settings in our inspector controls, but instead of using the inspector controls we also can add support the editing feature inside this editor panel so that user can easily edit this content directly from here without opening the inspector controls. You can also keep both of them. I think that will be a better option and it will be helpful for user. That means user can edit directly in the editor panel, or the user can open the inspector control panel and edit the content. So in our last video we have added settings for the editor, for the inspector control panels. So today we will add the similar functionality or a similar editing feature directly inside this editor panel so that user can easily edit the content directly from here. So if we check out this, all of this setting, we can see this is the way our system to edit our content. So we will add the similar technique to update our content. So first I want to copy this one, and we will talk about the icon in the next video. So I'm just going to update the content number. So today we'll just work on the text. So if you want to choose the content number, I have to use a text control. We can use text control or list text. So I think this text is better for option for this editor panel. And you can see we need a tag name. You can pass this tag name like a span. So class name will be like this one, counter number. So since we are using only a string, so simply type this string like this one. So our value will be the item that counter. So I am just going to replace item that counter. Here the value. So it will be changed based on the array index, right? So it will be something like this one. Okay, I just want to remove this from here. We don't need to use any span because we have already span in our lists. And there's a placeholder, like we can call it add or counter text, counter, or like this counter number. That's it. Now if I run my terminal, okay, stopped, and back to my desktop, just simply refresh, and if I click on this area, I can see I can edit this one, like to make 300, but this suffix is not editable because we didn't add the settings for this suffix. But that is a simple problems. By chance, if you delete all of this content, now you can see there is no option to edit this because we have passed a condition here that we need to exist our counter, then it will be available. But we don't want this feature or this condition in the editor panel. We will apply this condition in our front end, not in our backend, right? So simply remove this one. So our condition is removed. Now if we refresh to see, then we'll get a placeholder like this is our counter number placeholder. We can simply keep it very simple, like counter. This one, I think this is better. Refresh, and now this is our counter. Now we can print our counter, or I can add our counter number, like it can be this 900 or 90k, right? So similarly, add the setting for this suffix. So it will be the same as our heading. I mean this counter. So I'm just going to copy and paste. We will change it title after from here, and it will be our suffix, like suffix. That's it. We'll call it suffix. So we don't need to use this span anymore. And similar case for this title also, I mean this counter text. So copy and just paste here. Now our tag name is changed. It will be our p tag, and classes are counter text, right? So it is our counter text, and it will be title. We can call it title, right? This. So you have this one. Now it is completely done. Now we can customize our content directly from editor. Like if I remove this one, it is giving me option to add suffix. Like it can be million plus. We can call it 10 million or 100 million. We can also change this like 100 million daily or monthly visitors. Like this visitors. So we can see when we're changing it, it is also automatically changes because we are using the sum variable, same attribute name, right? Even if we change from here, it will be changed directly here. So if we change here, it will be changed or updated here also. So I think you understood how to work directly inside our editor panels plus our illustrator control panel. So next day we'll discuss about how to create an icon picker, and we can replace this icon picker. We can replace this icon from our icon picker. So I think you have enjoyed it. If you have any questions, you can let me know. I will try my best to give the answer of your questions. Thank you.